right back.
For everyone who's tired of summer reruns, Apple announces some exciting new programs. Every business day, a new software program is being developed for Macintosh. And if you can point, you already know how to use it. Macintosh, the computer for the rest of us.
Call to Glory, the major television event, premieres this Monday.
I know something about love.
You want to go to the homecoming dance with me or what?
God, I want it bad.
And he grabbed me.
So what'd you do?
Punched his lights out.
If that guy's got into your blood,
I hear guys like you are dangerous.
tell him that you're never gonna leave him. Tell him that you're
Call to Glory, premieres this Monday at 8, 7 Central and Mountain.
never